Um, Hello, I was just brutally microwaved in the eye, literally here. When I turned this on, it was literally microwaving my eyes so hard, I just couldn't focus. When I turned this on, this thing was on full 6 and just whinnying, so this device was just howling. You can see the repeated shots happening to my eye. Here, it's extremely painful. Can you see that? I have bunkered down, I'm still surrounded in my metal bunker, and nevertheless they managed to just microwave my eye extremely painfully. I do not know how they did that, it must come, so I'll show you how this goes now. What you can see here is nothing compared to what it was like a second ago. So these are repeated brutal shots, absolutely insane. And so right now I can cope, but a second ago they were microwaving my left eye so hard that I just couldn't focus. My entire face was being shot at. The beeping is the targeting. This is coming somewhere from my neighbors' houses. These are absolutely brutal attacks, really. So what this feels like is, that the pain actually pierces through your skull. You punch it straight through. And with your eyeball, so when they target your eye, it literally just goes straight through. So you've got a headache behind the eye when they're shooting at it, and a headache here with the skin partially burning. But you can just see the repeated shots. The police has been informed almost a year ago about these and has done nothing. It has done absolutely nothing. Because there's a public policy of ignoring microwave attacks. They are government-sanctioned attacks on the civilian population. So these shots are absolutely insane. And I'm just trying to work. I'll show you what my office looks like. So here you can see I've got aluminium shielding. Sorry, I'm just going to switch this off so I don't have to scream. I have to have aluminium shielding panels in my office. You can see the window there. But I basically have to bunker down, because if I do not, my head is being microwaved from the side here. And these shielding panels go all around. So my eye got microwaved from somewhere here or from above. Straight into my left eye. So the way I'm sitting, so this is actually head height, so you can see even that panel is higher than my head, so I can't really be microwaved in the eye from there. But it was absolutely brutal. Next to here I've got my measuring device, and you can see the frequency spectrum. So this is now measuring 100 megahertz to 4 gigahertz here. This peak, and you can see there, that one, that's 560 hertz. It gets pumped into my home all the time. In this region, 400 to 800, this area here, these two bars. So to be precise, 400 to 700. These frequencies here. There was an article quoting the whistleblower Dr. Paul Baccio, saying that the certified measurement of those frequencies constitutes an act of terrorism, because those frequencies are known to interfere with the human brain. And you can see these extra frequencies, but these here shouldn't be here. And you can see this is the highest peak here at 560 hertz. And the mobile phone signal, the GSM, is just this thing. So you can see that this stuff is higher than the mobile phone signal inside my home.